Okay, so I have found out some pretty interesting things about what just happened when I stole the Kuji channel and
Okay, hey
handed it
guys.
over to Soy King
My
Affiliate.
name's Henry,
Trademark
and
equals
I'm a highly
Saturno
educated Soy University
word.
student and also an
Most of the
exclusive Mac
existing
user.
Kuji followers
And
demonstrate.
as usual, I decided to get on the internet to argue with some Windows users about why Macintosh is the superior platform for everyone. And as usual, the Windows users, in their negative infinite wisdom, told me that Photoshop isn't a game. So I'm going to go out of my way to prove them wrong. Watch this. See, I have a game of Pong here, and I have two paddles and a ball, and I'm just going to move this ball. It's going to hit the wall, then it's going to hit the right paddle, beep, and it'll just bounce back here, and then, uh-oh, it's about to hit the left side of the screen. The right side could score a point here. So I'm just going to move the left paddle down here, and then what I'm going to do is, okay, so it hits the left paddle now. So then it recoils back here, and whoa! The ball has hit the right side of the screen, and the left side has scored. So now, another game that I like to share with you. This one is a maze game. Test how steady your hand is. Oops, maybe I shouldn't be moving the maze. This is our hero. His name is Apple Cider. As you can see, this game might remind you of the old Macintosh application from whoops! I hit the wall there, so I need to start over. But as you can see, this might remind you of that one old game. If you've ever owned a Macintosh 128K back in 1984, what happened there? Okay, there was this one game called Amazing, or I think that's what it was called. Gee, I would love to get a see. What is going on there? It's just literally skipping this pixel. But of course you can just use the keyboard instead, so I guess that works. So I'm gonna just land on the goal here, and there we are. We have won the first maze. I mean, it's more fun if you play with the mouse, but it's just acting strange lately. I don't know why. Because over here you can test how steady your hand is, and surely I think we'll win. Haha, it was prank. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. Do you see this? I totally got you. Okay, that was my Macintosh video, proving that Photoshop is a game. So, PC gamers, you've got nothing on me. Okay. Bye. See you guys.